Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Uber Eats, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the Uber Eats platform to understand its business model and market potential. Next, create an account on the Uber Eats website if you haven't already. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and user interface. Take note of the popular restaurants and cuisines in your area, as this data can influence your investment decisions. Analyze reviews and ratings to assess customer satisfaction and loyalty towards specific restaurants. Consider the delivery options and fees, as these could impact the overall profitability of your investment. Investigate the competition in your local market, including other food delivery services. Identify trends in consumer preferences, such as a growing demand for healthy, or compile a list of your favorite restaurants that you believe have strong growth potential. Reach out to restaurant owners to discuss their partnership with Uber Eats and understand their experiences. Explore Uber Eats investment opportunities if available, such as shares in the parent company, Uber Technologies Inc. Evaluate your budget and determine how much you are willing to invest. Consider diversifying your investments by exploring additional food and delivery platforms. Monitor financial news and updates about Uber Eats and its performance in the market. Create a plan for your investment strategy, whether it's short-term gains or long-term growth. Implement your investment plan and watch for changes in the market. Regularly review your investments and adapt your strategy based on new information and market trends. Stay informed about technological advancements that could impact the delivery industry. Network with other investors or join online forums to gain insights and share experiences. Remember, patience and ongoing research are key to successful investing in any sector. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.